So this video is all about the risk protection arrangement scheme for maintained schools, including local authority maintained schools and academies. When was RPA introduced? Well, RPA was introduced in 2014 and it has had two modifications since then, the latest one in September 2021. Well, RPA, the risk protection arrangement, provides academy trusts and other schools with an alternative means of securing cover from risks which would traditionally have been insured through the conventional insurance market. Now, whilst not technically insurance, the RPA operates like a commercial insurance cover in the sense that it provides comparable cover in the event of occurrence of an insured risk. Now, that includes statutory insurances such as employer's liability, third-party or public liability, as well as typical insured risks such as damage to property, business interruption, governor or trustee liability, professional indemnity, and travel insurance. It also provides legal expenses insurance, but with a difference in the sense that it replaces the usual arrangements that maintained schools might otherwise have enjoyed for something different, which includes employment practices liability insurance. Well, it's the legal expenses insurance bit that covers any claims made against a school in the nature of employment tribunal claims such as unfair dismissal, discrimination and contractual disputes. But there's also an additional benefit in the sense that any governors or trustees who are sued individually by an employee claiming discrimination are also protected under a different bit of the risk protection arrangement. What's the cost? Well, the cost has been held at £18 per pupil for the academic year 2020 to 2021, but this rose to £19 per pupil in the academic year 2021 to 2022. And we wait to see whether there will be any rise in this year's premium for academic year 2022 to 2023. Well, the RPA cover extends cover to property losses incurred by site trustees, offering a more robust arrangement, and site trustees simply being noted on the local authority and schools' insurance policies. So helpfully for church organisations, they can make claims in their own right and have claims paid directly to them. Well, the rules changed so that now any schools can use their own solicitors for the conduct of claims under the RPA arrangement. And all RPA administrators need to know is they need to know about case developments along the way, and any interim bills which are submitted by solicitors to the administrators have to be passed for approval by the school concerned. But otherwise, the RPA operates simply as an indemnity cover, overlaying the existing retainer arrangements between solicitor and school client. Well, there are various limits, such as £10 million for governor's liability, unlimited cover for professional indemnity claims, £500,000 for employee and third-party dishonesty, but the limits in the legal expenses, section 12 of the RPA cover, which covers employment tribunal claims, have a maximum claim limit of £100,000 per claim, but also £100,000 in aggregate in any one membership year. Now, this is subject to an excess of £500 for a secondary school insured and £250 for a nursery and primary school, each and every loss. Now, this means that in any one year, if the limit is used up across a number of claims, there can be no further claims until the following year. If, however, multiple claims are made, for example, this year, 2022, then the overall limit is £100,000, and if that limit is not used up, then in any one of those claims, that can be rolled over to the next year. So, for example, in relation to one particular claim, if £30,000 of that cover has been used up in 1 year, then the balance can roll over into year 2 up to an overall limit of £100,000. So there is in effect a £70,000 balance which can roll over. Well, to access a claims portal, you need to click on the link at the end of this video, which is https://www.rpaclaimsforms.co.uk.